The sirens that warn people in Reedsburg have been a concern, especially since this past summer's weather. RUCLS and LC11 News would like to explain these sirens, which are located atop the hose tower located near the Reedsburg Fire Department building at the corner of Vine and Park Streets in Reedsburg. The current fire siren, which was donated by Edward Nishon in 1960 in memory of Frida Nishon Meyer, the sirens are set to sound when they are triggered by the dispatch center inside the Reedsburg Police Department. The sirens are set to sound for up to 3-minute cycles, and each siren sounds for a different call. The dispatcher triggers the call for the city fire department, has an up and down signal. Listen, as this is the call signal for the city fire department.
Reedsburg Fire to City Fire and Rural Fire. This is an informational page only. Again, this is not a call. This is an informational page only. We will be doing some testing on the sirens. First city, followed by rural, and then tornado siren. Again, this is not a call. We will be doing some testing on the sirens.
The Reedsburg Rural Fire Department is also dispatched with the first call to pagers carried by firemen, and the Rural Fire Department has 18 firefighters elected from the 39 firefighters on the City Department. The call for the Rural Department has a steady tone and sounds for up to 3-minute cycles also. Listen to the call of the Reedsburg Rural Fire Department. The Reedsburg Fire Department Rescue Squad is made up of members of the entire fire department and is summoned to vehicle accidents along with accidents such as ATV or accidents in farms or household or business accidents or accidents where rescues need to be performed. Many times the fire department serving the city or rural areas are summoned at the same time. When just the rescue department is called, no sirens are sounded except for the vehicles responding to the scene of the rescue call. The sirens are sounded every noon hour as a test, and the fire siren can be heard in most of the city, and depending on wind direction, you may not or you may hear the sirens. They are also used to alert motorists that they should be on the lookout for firefighters going to the fire station and fire vehicles responding to the fire station. The second siren located atop the hose tower at the Reedsburg Fire Station in downtown Reedsburg and in several other locations, such as the Maple Air Trailer Court area, near Reedsburg Area Medical Center off 17th or 19th Street, and on the west side near the METC campus. This siren is sounded for the tornado warning only. They are tested. the first Wednesday of each month during the noon hour. The sirens were activated by the Reedsburg Police Department Dispatch Center only for tornado warnings that are for Sauk County and the Reedsburg area. Let's now listen to the sounding of the weather siren from atop the Reedsburg Fire Station location. When you hear the weather siren sounded, you should seek cover in a secure shelter. Do not call the Reedsburg Police Department, tune in your local TV or radio station, or listen to the NOAA weather radio. NOAA weather radios are activated by the Weather Service in case both of summer and winter warnings, and watches from the Weather Service offices either at Sullivan or at La Crosse. The Weather Service has radio transmitters located in our area. They're located in the Baraboo Bluffs area, Richland County area, and in Adams County. Weather radios can be purchased at such stores as the local Radio Shack or other stores that sell electronics like hardware stores. The cost of these radios start as low as $20. The radios have built-in codes that can be set for only counties in your area, and they do make ideal gifts for birthdays or anniversaries and for family gifts. We hope that we have set you straight as far as the sounds of the sirens that are heard around the Reedsburg area.
It's the report for Tuesday, March 10th from RUCLS News on the World Wide Web and LC11 on the Reedsburg cable system. These are copyright-protected programs of the Reedsburg Utility Commission. Any use in any form without the permission of the Commission is strictly prohibited.